All right, I got me a little transmission fluid on my towel. I'm getting ready to install my pistons, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe the odd side down first.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Masking it off so I can paint it. You can see it's got a little coat, that rust converter or whatever on there, so it won't take a whole lot of paint just to put an even coat. All right, as you can see, got my upper bearings in, no groove to the top, solid to the bottom. I use this particular brand, nothing special, it's just something I've been using. It cleans and it's thick, so I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of this assembly lube on these bearings, then we'll get ready to set the crank. All right, as you can see, I got my bearings in, got my assembly lube. Make sure you put some lube on this flange. That's the thrust bearing, so you wanna make sure that flange is lubed up. All right, got my main cap, the first one. Put the lube on it. Sit it in place. And tight. Get a little snug. I'm not trying to torque nothing down right now, so I'm just gonna stick them in place. Wiping the surface. Sticking my bearing on. See, they numbered, and you remember they all on one side except for the last one. See, let me show y'all. On here, I got the rings on the pistons. Nice fit. All right, as you can see, I got all my pistons in. Thing point to the front. Now I'm finna turn it. I'm just use the bolt, just spin it over, see how free she moves. Yo, what up? I went ahead and torqued my rod bolts down 15 foot-pounds, then 75 degrees on the angle. All right, we're gonna go with a Lunati cam. All right, I went ahead and installed timing chain set, oil pump. Next thing on the list, pickup tube and the oil pan.